Hello, we are the team number 6 and in this video we will show you the necessary procedure to use the wind tunnel and extract the data with an auxiliary software according to practice 3. For this practice, we use the AF100 wind tunnel and a computer with the equipment Vidas DAC software. And well, let's start. Step 1. Remove the cover of the test chamber and insert the airflow model provided by the professor. Step 2. Adjust the airflow model to an angle of attack of 0 degrees and make sure it is fixed. Step 3. Position the test chamber cover and make sure the screws are fixed. Step 4. Turn on the switch of the wind tunnel voltage source and turn the knob to activate the wind tunnel motor. Step 5. Adjust the desired angle of attack. Step 6. Press and hold the reset button below the screen that shows the values of the forces until the value is shown at 0. Step 7. Turn the control panel knob slowly to increase the air velocity until the manometer shown a height of 50 mm, which equals a speed of 28 meters per second. Step 8. Once the pressure stabilizes, open the time data acquisition menu and set it so that it gets a value of lift every half second for 15 seconds. Run the data acquisition and let it finish. Step 9. Slowly turn the knob to decrease the velocity to 0. And that's it! The calculations and a step after the measurements are attached in greater detail in the written practice. Thanks for your attention.